Hey guys, all things Reba. Let's do this, guys. So, my second day in Uganda, I've decided to visit Sipi. Sipi is located in eastern Uganda. For me to hear that sound of waterfalls, it gave me this chill. Like, I don't know, it scares me a lot. I know there's a lot of people who say, oh, let's swim in the waterfalls, but I can never in my life, I can never set a foot in the waterfall because I'm a chicken. So, yeah, from there we continue our journey from the starting point to the third waterfalls. It took us like 40 minutes, and here also to get to our second waterfalls it took us almost like 40 minutes, 5 minutes, 40 to 50 minutes of a hike. But this one is like, yo, it kills you because it's like very hikey, man. And the guide, I would ask him like, are we going to, like, are we near? He'll be like, yeah. No, only 10 minutes, only 10 minutes. You know those people who always like tell you only 10 minutes, and 10 minutes it's 1 hour. 1 hour is 2 hours. So it was a little bit like, I don't know, challenging, but I liked it because it was not how do I say, it was not boring. There was a lot, like, the nature itself, how, the scenic, it was good. And yeah, finally, like, after, I think here I used like 1 hour and a half. Normally he'd say they use like 40, but for me I used like 1 hour and a half to get to the cave before we get to our second waterfall. And I was scared, guys. I was scared, yeah. And this thing, like, it's like on the hill, like it's it's like putting a ladder on a hill.
Shit.
And then they tell you to climb. who were like going around taking us pictures. But of course, at the end of your trip, you know, you have to give them a tip, a little bit something. So just for you to know, misunderstood it as a scam, you just maybe have to communicate ahead and say, oh, am I going to pay you guys? Of course they will say, oh no, you're not going to pay us, but at the end of the trip they will say, give us something like a tip. So you have to clarify before they do anything, and then you say, no, I don't have money, or I don't want you guys to do it. So for me, from the third waterfall, I didn't know. I just hand over my phone and I was like, yeah, it's okay, because I thought they were with the guide, but it turns out it was not. But I think he knew them. So at the end of the trip, I was asked to give the tips, which was because I loved the videos also they took me. I loved the picture they took me. It was cool. So yeah, I did it. But when I get to the second fall and
Yes. You can see the other guys.
so yeah, these stones also, they sell them there like for tourists. If you want one, you just pay them, and then yeah, they give you some. And at the end I took a picture of me as if I don't know, I thought it was funny. And yeah, we continue our journey, and this was the way to our second waterfall. It was almost like 12, I think 12, yeah. And now I was so hungry. I was like, I didn't come with any water because I was thinking maybe it's something is just going to be like 1 hour or 2. So I was so dehydrated. But things were cold. Look at the house, guys. Look at the view. Like everything is beautiful. I don't know. I think Ugandans, we should change, and you guys come here, and then we just came to Uganda. We change. Yo. And so yeah, I loved the view here. Like on my way to the second waterfall, it was super beautiful, and you could hear the sound of the waterfall from far, and you could still see it, like yeah, there, over there. Yeah, I enjoyed hiking here more than the first one, because this one was a little bit hikey. It was not so challenging as the first one. I mean, as the third one. I'm sorry, it confused me. Like, it confused me because when we started, I thought it was the first one, but the guide said no, this is the third waterfall of Sipi. So yeah, as I was saying, this one was not challenging as the third one, and the view was very nice. I loved it. And also it's near one of the good hotels there in Sipi. Yeah, which I don't even remember the name. Don't blame me. I just remember the food. I barely remember the names of people and things, so don't blame me, girl. So yeah, guys, I continue my journey, but I want to tell you, like, CP is very far. Like, from me to get there from Kampala, it took me 7 hours actually, because in Kampala also there was a jam.
We've been one and only.
Some of the parts of in Kampala it was raining, so it delayed us, but yeah, it took me like 7 hours to get there. It was super far. And also, just for you to know, CP is a hilly, like it's like a village on the top of one mountain. I think they call it Mount Elgon, Oregon. I'm sorry, guys, don't blame me. I don't take names, like I don't remember names at all. But it's one of the highest mountains. They are also in Uganda. So yeah, if you see visiting CP, make sure you go with your coats, make sure you go with your boots, because it's very good for hiking, and also they have a community there which is very good to visit and see. But I would definitely recommend you to visit the falls. The falls is super cool. It's, I don't know, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Especially, like, I don't know, here in Rwanda we have small falls and they're not even that many. I don't know, but CP is good. It kind of reminded me of my hometown, because where I come from is very hilly. I came from in northern Rwanda. It's kind of hairy and all green also, so it kind of reminded me my home, and that's why I think I fall in love with Sipi so much. And so yeah, here we got to our second waterfall, and there was a cave also, but I don't think this was a man-made. No, this was nature things made, I don't know, whatever you call it, and it was so good. So yeah, when I get here, there was this little boy. He's not little, maybe, I don't know, maybe the same age as me. But as the second boys we met also, who was asking to take pictures of me, and then they asked the tip. So yeah, there was another one here also. But because my guide was, I don't know, he was left behind because I think he was on a call, and then this guy was like following me around, so I got a little scared. I was like, oh shit. What if, like, I don't know, he snatched my phone, or I don't know, my camera and run, or what if something happened, because I could not see my guide behind. That's why I was like trying to, to move here and there. So from here I was like passing in this upper way here. For him, he was passing on the other one down, so we can meet, because I knew he wanted, I don't know, it was weird feeling. I know he did not mean any harm, because in the end he asked me, oh, can I take a picture of you? That's when I realized, and when my guide also came, they took, so I realized, oh, maybe they knew each other. So yeah, I asked him here, like, what's me, because he saw me with a guide, and so I was asking him, what is my guide? And yeah, he's just saying he's coming. It was just the way of me telling that I'm with someone, So yeah, when you're traveling, you don't know anyone, you don't know their, I don't know what they're thinking. They know exactly, like, you don't speak the same language as them, especially here in Sipi. Even if you speak Ugandan, they have their own language, guys. So there's no way you will communicate with them unless you know their language or English. So, and I don't want to be taken advantage. So yeah, he was asking me to take me a video, and then I told him because I didn't want to give him my camera when no one is around. You know, you just have to be safe.
When I sleep, I want the noise.
So yeah.
I want it to be
Anyway,
so quiet.
beside that, everything was good. In the end, I ended up even also handing over my phone to him. Even my driver, Anthony is one of the guide also I was using. He was the one who was moving around with me. So you'll probably see him in all my videos. So yeah, and he just came also. He gave him his phone, like, to take pictures. So I was like, okay, I'm safe now. But when you're alone, make sure you're, just be, I don't know, be smart, because anything can happen. So yeah, we get to our second waterfall.
You think, like, when there's rain, it's too much? Oh, wow. Don't ruin my video. Go stay there.
Yeah, guys, that was my driver. He was always loaning my videos, like always, like, passing through. I now know it, so I needed to warn him. Anyway, he's a good guy, and you guys, if you're in Kabale or you want to explore Uganda, just let me know in the comment. I can share his contact as well. He's very good. He's very good, man. For me, I don't know, all the trip for me for 12 days. Yeah, guys, I saw rainbow.
You guys, I'm running. I'm scared.
Guys, I was so scared of rainbow. Don't blame me.
No.
I know here they say, like, where the rainbow is, there's like a madman, a mad person. I don't know how to say it in English, but so I was kind of like scared of a rainbow. It was beautiful and cute, but no, don't tell me to go near it. So yeah, nature scares me in general. Nature scares me. It fascinates me, like, to see it. It's beautiful. I want to explore. I want to see everything, but still I'm afraid. Like, there's something about it. I don't really get. I don't know why. I don't know. It scares me deep down. Maybe in my last life I died in nature. Maybe I drowned because I'm scared of water. I don't know. So yeah, still now it's a fear I go with. But anyway, I was talking about Anthony. Anthony is a good person, and I would definitely recommend him, because when he was there for me, I know for me, at the end of this trip also, I was so exhausted, and I know when I'm so exhausted, I become moody. I don't know. He was always making sure that I'm getting what I need. He was making sure that whatever the trip we're going to do, am I ready? Well, wherever he's booking, he was making sure, oh, is this hotel okay for you? So I would just approve, because we gave the deposit before to him, so he was the one who was in charge of everything. Wherever we sleep, wherever we go, whatever activities I would do. So yeah, it was good. He was good. I would definitely like to go also with him.
I forgot my teeth.
So yeah, guys,
Thank you.
our journey continue. Simeon was good. He was very good, and yeah. What can I say? I will recommend him also. He's very good. Like he knows what he's doing and he's very patient also. Because you see guys, I'm a hippo. So for me to walk that kind of to hike that long, it takes patience
This is tired.
and it takes a lot of energy. So he was so patient with me where I was lazy, like moving slow.
We are coming down.
Yeah, we are coming from.
Let me go.
Where the
Yeah, they were cutting trees anyway. So guys, where I was moving slow, where I was like, oh, I want to sit down, he would just be patient. Like, he would give me my time. So I would definitely recommend it because I don't know, there's someone who'll be your guide, but also you see like on his face you can read him that he's annoyed. Like, mate, it's your job. Why are you annoyed? Give me a break. But for him, he was not. He was like, no, it's okay, don't worry, we'll get there. So yeah, guys, this was our first and last waterfall. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Of course I was tired. I was so tired. I was so exhausted. But man, this place is beautiful. Like it's so beautiful. And the entrance for East African people is not even that expensive. It's so cheap, very cheap. Even foreigners also, they don't pay that much, I think. So yeah, it's a worth try. The mom wanted to take a picture, so and I found her crying. So yeah, guys, as I was saying, doing like some traveling in Uganda, even in Rwanda or East Africa, is super cheap because we guys, as the East Africans, we don't have to pay much. It's super cheap. The only thing I think which is hard is like accommodation and transport, but once you figure that out, everything else is cool. You can do it, guys.
It's too much. Like the wind here is yo. No, I don't want to enter. It's scary, man. No, it's okay. Now my GoPro is all white. Hey.
So yeah, I was so scared there. Like it was like it had this strong
There's another like
wind coming from the fall, so it would just splash water onto you. And I was like, nope, I'm not dying today, never. I knew I was not gonna die, but I'm just a chicken, so I saw it. So what else do you need me to do?
Let's go there. Leo, where are you going?
Through Pavilion.
There's a rainbow. of Sipi's coffee. And after we came to pound it. This was one of the songs they used to sing, like in the tradition they used to sing when they are pounding the coffee, which is cute. I did not even know the words. I just after pounding it, they have to, how do they call it in English? I don't know, cocoa soda. And so after they make the fire. Yes, do you know how to make that fire? Because me, I'm a pro. I am a pro, guys. Left me in the forest, left me somewhere. I will make fire. I will survive. Trust me. Probably after my eyes turned like red, and after 1 hour, that's when I will make fire. I will be like, yo, finally. So yeah, we lost the coffee, and then finally it was done. But it was super strong, yo. They put like almost the whole thing in, man. Like, yo, are you trying to make people drunk? So yeah. Here it was the coffee. It was boiling, like almost ready. So we was waiting for the taste of it. Of course, how do I take my coffee? I like my coffee sweet. Don't blame me. Sometimes I don't like it with sugar, like not even 1 spoon of sugar, just like no sugar at all. But sometimes also I like it very sweet. It depends on how I'm feeling. Oh gosh, that was a stupid question of me asking like the kids here drink coffee. Of course, Rebecca, no kids drink. I cannot. Anyway, guys, see you. Bye.